everybody.
What? How's everyone doing? So much better. We are so happy to be here. We only have 45 minutes, so we want to get into details right away. So, Jacob, what did you do with your model?
All right, so I'm going to be sharing about haircutting with you guys, and what I've been discussing is what I think are essential creative haircuts in the salon, right? So we all want to be creative when we're doing hair, right? Who's doing hair because it's their artistic outlet as well as it's their job, right? So something that I found throughout my career is that in order to be creative, we have to have strong fundamentals, and just mixing up fundamental techniques is how we come up with all of our creative haircuts, right? So I've been showing throughout the year what I think are creative haircuts that are essential to salon success. So this we cut with a straight razor. This is Rebecca, our model. And basically, this is almost a one-length bob haircut. I think this is one of my most popular haircuts right now. Something that is so simple, yet is so essential. One of the most requested things I have in the salon is something that's one length, but then has an internal distribution of weight, giving it softness and movement, right? Kind of that like blunt but soft kind of haircut, right? Where we want it to be like really hard, but also very, very soft, you know? So we used a straight razor to do this, which I think is a great tool for creating kind of seamless softness as well as a blunt edge. It's a very versatile tool depending on how you're using it. We cut the perimeter and then use the razor on the inside. And then we use a smoothing iron to create a little bit of wave just by using a rocking technique, which again is something else that I'm being requested for all the time. Very, very simple, but very essential looks in the salon. So this is my first model, Rebecca. I hope you guys like it. And what are you doing, Larissa? How are your pre-done models?
Okay, beautiful job, Jacob. So I have two pre-done models. This is actually a pick-me-up technique that I created. And this is what I will be teaching tomorrow. Who will be here tomorrow? Heck yes, awesome. So I just want to show you guys her color. This is something that's very quick and easy, should be one of your lowest rates in the salon, because all it is really just kind of face framing, gives you that beautiful blend, and really this technique should take you no longer than 20 minutes to do. But overall, look at how gorgeous and that blend and that dimension is to die for. You guys obsessed? Right? Okay, and I want to show you a little bit, because you guys all know how I do. Put my hand in through. And I want to show you how gorgeous that blend really is. You can see that, how all those different tones and that dimension. And of course, I toner her with Joico Luma Shine to add that shine, cancel out some warmth, give it that nice silvery hue. And then we brought down her base so that way it looks very natural and sun-kissed. Do you guys love it? All right, awesome. And then my other pre-done model. And how gorgeous is her hair, right? Okay, so this is a technique that I'm going to be teaching today. It's called the bold and blended technique. And basically, it gives you full coverage, and again, it's going to save you a lot of time, because I'm all about time, because time is what? That's right, and we all like that paper, right? Okay, so I want to show you guys her gorgeous blend again. How beautiful is her tone? I use Joico Intensities, and what I love about the Joico Intensities is that, one, they have 30 shades and more coming. We didn't hear that from me, okay? And I added many different hues in her hair. So the great thing about Joico Intensities, or any intensity in general, is that you can intermix so many different colors to create your own unique color, because you don't want someone to go into a store and buy their own color and do it themselves, right? So they come to us. So the great thing about it is that we create our own unique tone, so they won't be able to go to any other artist or do it themselves. They're going to have to come back to you, because only you know the formula. So with her, I used 2 different hues or 3 different hues on top for her color, melting to a different color tone, okay? And if you guys have questions about her color and what I use, you will be able to see it on my Instagram for the formula, or you guys can see and talk to me about her formula at the meet and greet right after this. You guys love it? Awesome. All right, Phil, and let's check out your amazing, crazy models, Obsessed.
Thank you, guys. I'm very excited to be here. I'm teaching pixelated hair on stage this show.
Woo!
I know. I choose not to teach this at hair shows because it's really easy, and I don't want a lot of people to learn how to do it, because that makes me special. But I wanted to give you guys a variation of pixelated hair that you can do so fast on curly hair. So look at how, you guys see how jagged this is, this color? And you see how even when her hair is curly, it stays really pretty solid to the center. So with pixelated hair, I usually do it on straight hair, but everybody is always asking, what can you do for curly hair? And this is a technique that you can do right away. All I do is I'll take like horizontal sections and paint bleach. Take another one, paint bleach. Take another one. Let the bleach lay on top of each other in a band around her head in one solid section. I was done with her application in like 7 minutes. And I just let it sit. It was Blonde Me and 20 volume. And I got her to a level 9, about a level 9. And I just put Joico color butters. Have you guys used those?
Yeah.
Is this the craziest red? It's so like vibrant, right? This red only took about 10 minutes at the shampoo bowl. I just applied the color butters twice. So if you guys want like even more vibrant, more even looks with your color, just use the color butter twice. So I wanted to show you not only was it just one section, but the curl, because her hair is so, it's so random. Look at how cool it looks when it's straight. Do you guys like that? Yeah, it looks like I color melted, but if you blend to get that, you'll end up getting like cool ends. So just do a really hard, on curly hair, do a really hard rectangle, and this is what you're gonna get. So I'll have her come and sit here at the edge of the stage. Thank you guys.
Beautiful job, Phil.
And now to teach you guys, this is my pixelated balayage. It's gonna be the most requested service of 2019, maybe 2030. So you guys see how, does that look cool? Most of you guys probably don't have a clientele for this kind of work, but this is total inspiration. And if you can learn how to make hard lines, you can do the opposite and create really soft lines. So pixelated hair is all about doing things with zero elevation, no tension, just like cutting a line in a haircut. This technique, even though it looks really jagged like that, when you comb it to where it naturally lives, which I use some really good hairspray, you guys can see that it's just a solid line. Does that kind of blow your mind that like that jaggedness is just solid lines in the hair? How you get that is by taking a vertical section and opening it up side to side, and you get like a V. If you want to create something different, you can either kind of take your next section and go, let's leave that one like that. If you could take your next section and go opposite, so then you kind of get more of a W, or you can take this section. And this is actually really important. The combing is important because if you ever are taking a picture of your client and you realize that you created a line or your blend on your direct eyes doesn't look good, like she said, I'm into photography. This is one way that I touch the hair to set it up to look the best. So you see how you can create multiple different shapes. When it's curled, it's going to look more like this, but it's simple. This should only take you 15 minutes to do